Hi friends, let's learn iPhone 16e black screen. Wouldn't turn on, how to fix it. Well, for that you just need to follow one or two steps to just do that. Actually, my phone is working well. I don't have any problem. I don't face these such problems. But if you are facing these such problems, your screen gets blackout, you can't restart your iPhone, you can't get anything onto your screen, then what to do it. For that, you just need to follow few steps I'm going to tell you. Well, as you can see, this is volume up button, this is volume down button, and then this is the side button. As you can see, in iPhone, the power button is actually known as the side button. Well, to do it, I will first explain it to you, then we are going to do that. First, quickly press and release the volume down button and then leave it. After that, press and hold the side button until the screen goes black. Then, keep holding the side button and start holding the volume down button for 5 seconds. Then, after that, actually, the iTunes, or as you can see here, iTunes in your phone or otherwise the finder will detect your iPhone in recovery mode and prompt you to restore or update. Well, what to do it? Let's just check it once again. Press and release this volume down button. Press this and leave it. After that, press and hold this side button until the screen gets black or the phone just gets turned off. And otherwise, then keep pressing it and then start press and hold this volume down button for 5 seconds. Then the iTunes or the Finder app will detect that your iPhone needs a recovery mode or restore your phone. So this is how you can actually solve this kind of problem if you are facing into your iPhone 16. So I hope this will definitely help you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such informative videos.